Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to talk about how to calculate your taxes online and how to use our calculator estimator to figure out what your refund or your taxes might be. So let me get the video started and we'll go through this together. So our online tax calculator and estimator is an instant tool that we give you guys to allow you to figure out exactly what your refund's going to be. And how this works is you're going to put in all your different income items, your deduction items, and as you enter those items and change them, it's going to instantly show you what that refund's going to be. And we're going to go through the actual calculator today, and I'll walk through that and show you exactly the steps you have to follow to use it. It's actually very easy, but I just want to do a walkthrough with you guys to make sure you can see how we do it. The first thing you need to know your filing status when you enter this in. Are you going to be filing single, married, married jointly, or married separate? And usually you can just go based on what your return was last year. For some of you, your situation will have changed and that'll be different this year, but usually you can go just based off the return from last year. You're going to enter your income amounts for the current year. Now, I know you don't have your W-2s yet, but what you're going to do with this is either you can take the pay stubs that you've got this year and total up what your total income will be for the whole year, or just go based off last year's tax return if you just want a kind of a rough estimate. And usually your income is going to be a little bit more year to year, so that's going to change, but you can do it either way. You can enter all your business income, capital gains amount, Social Security benefits, and any other miscellaneous income. Now, these instant calculations, they're great if you want to figure out what your refund's going to be, so that's why a lot of people use these, just so they can see, what they're going to get back when they file the return. You're allowed to enter all the deductions like medical expenses, mortgage interest, charitable contributions, personal deductions, etc. Again, on this, it's probably best that if you haven't tallied up the amounts for this year, just go off your return last year, because some of the tax laws and rules have changed. So your refund this year, even though the amounts were the same as close to last year, will have been different this year because of some of the changes in the tax laws. So, I mean, for anything, you just want to put the information in there, see how much different it might be from last year. You can also enter your taxes paid and credits that you may qualify for. So if you qualify, say, for the earned income credit or child tax credit, you can put this in there. You can also enter the withholding amounts and any estimated payments made. On our site here, HarborFinancialOnline.com, is where we have the calculator, and you can prepare the return directly online. So we're going to actually go to the site now. This is our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, and you can see we have a lot of information on this site, and you can prepare the return directly online. So we're going to go right to the calculator. We have a link here, and on the side you have a couple more links for the estimator. They're all going to go to the same place. So I'm going to walk through this exactly how you would do it. So we're going to wait for the page to come up here. So again, you're just going to click on that link. Now it's going to take you directly to the site here, and you're going to go right down. You can click either on here or on estimate your refund. So let's just click on there and estimate your refund. Now I'm going to do this just like I were you using the calculator, and I'm going to make up different amounts and show you exactly how I would do it so you guys know how. And you can see when it's going, watch the calculator on the right side automatically adjust as I'm putting these amounts in. So we'll put married. Jointly. We'll make up some ages here. And you can see it's already putting in the deduction amounts for the exemptions, since you're filing married and jointly, since it's based on your filing status. The first box, income, put in wage amount. We'll just make up an amount. And you can see it's automatically making the calculations there. The reason it has due is because we haven't put in the withholding. Here it's automatically going to change based on that withholding amount. So now the refund, it's turned into a refund. State withholding. And we'll leave unemployment at 0. Spouse's income. Now this, what I want you to do is to watch this calculator and just see how it's determining all your credits, your deductions, everything. And at the bottom it'll show your tax rate and exactly what your refund's going to be. Still doing its calculations. And this is some of the basic income amounts you're going to put in, but like I said earlier in the video, we have other income amounts that you can put in. Interest, say you got a savings account from a bank, put that in here. And you can look at the amounts that you got last year to kind of get an idea. Dividends, investments that you may have. Gains or losses on stocks. You can separate it here between short-term and long-term, which that's what you're going to have to do in your return anyways. So that's why this is going to give you an exact amount. As long as you have your numbers right, it's going to give you an exact amount what the taxes are going to be and what the refund's going to be. So you can see the rest of the boxes here. We have IRA, pension distributions. This will be if you cashed out a 401k. Social Security benefits, miscellaneous income. All those amounts will get calculated into this. Business income, we'll just leave that as 0, but if you had a Schedule C business that gets attached to your return, which I do have videos on that, so if you're not sure what a Schedule C business is, you can find one of our videos that will cover that for you. So once we're done with the income part, we're going to click done. Now we're going to go into all the deductions, credits, and payments. And I'm just going to go through these quickly, but that's you're going to click that done. Now your income is completed. Over here we're at a refund of $2,514. Put in the deduction, so that refund's going to go up, obviously. Mortgage interest payments. I'm not going to enter any more of these boxes. I'm just going to show you what you can put in. Mortgage interest payments, real estate, home improvements. Up here we have donations, retirement, other tax payments, education costs, other deductions. Now we'll just click done. Now at this point here, you've entered everything that's going to go on your return, and this is going to be, as long as your numbers are right, it's going to be 100% accurate of what your refund is going to be. So that's how the calculator works. And again, you can get to that through our site at harborfinancialonline.com. So I'm going to bring up the video. Okay. So if you have any questions on using the calculator or any other areas of tax, send me an email, expert@harborfinancialonline.com. I'll answer any questions you guys have on taxes. I appreciate you watching our videos. I'm getting great feedback in the videos, so thank you. And you can prepare the return online this year using harborfinancialonline.com. Use the calculator or any other areas of tax you want to find. We do have links to that. So thank you, and hopefully you'll check out of our future videos.